Hey guys, welcome to Technosalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to link Facebook account or page to Instagram. So let's get started. First, we will see how to connect your Facebook page with Instagram account. Open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap on hamburger menu icon located at the bottom right corner. Now tap on pages and open the page that you wish to connect to Instagram. Now tap on settings. From the options, tap on Instagram. Now on this screen, tap on connect account. It will ask you to enter your Instagram credentials. Once you logged in, your Facebook page will be connected to your Instagram account. Now let's see how to connect Facebook profile with Instagram account. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap on profile located at the bottom right corner. Now tap on hamburger menu at the top. From the options, tap on settings. Under settings, tap on account. Under account menu, tap on sharing to other apps. Here you will find the various options to share like Facebook, Twitter. From here, tap on Facebook. Now you will need to select the option where you need to share and then tap on continue button. So that was the short tutorial on how to link Facebook account or page to Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.